Okay, dear friends, welcome back. Today I'd like to continue our series of Vulnhub. The virtual machine would be Bob. I will put the link into the description section below so that you can download this virtual machine. Before I begin today's video, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate your help and support. So now let's just get started. To save time, I have already imported this virtual machine into the VirtualBox and configure its network adapter as host-only mode. Okay, so now we can go into the Kali Linux. As you can see, I have already identified the IP address of the virtual machine as 101. Then I did the nmap scanning. I did the scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan. And then I did the comprehensive scan by specifying the option of -p-. From the nmap scanning results, as you can see over here, the two open ports. The first one is 80, which runs HTTP service, and also the actual version information, which is patch 2. And the second one, the very big port number, which runs SSH service, which is not standard port number, but it's okay. And also the actual information for this SSH service. Of course, as we know, this version of OpenSSH doesn't have any vulnerability what we can exploit. So as you know, what we are going to do next is to do some enumeration for the 80 port. So now we can fire up our browser of Firefox. And let's put the IP address of the virtual machine. Okay, and I think it says website under construction. And also you can check the source code, but nothing special here. And also there's some super links like news, about us, and contact us login. But the login functionality is not working properly. It's okay. So I think now we need to check if this site has robots file. Yeah, it has, and we can check each file. Login, but not found. And then we can check this one. Yeah, I think this is some sort of web shell, and we can run the command like ID, submit. For example, also the list command, but get out skit. So I think the virtual machine has some firewall or filtering in place, and we need to bypass this filtering. And also we can check the version of the netcat. In netcat, we can know it's running on the virtual machine. And we can open the reverse shell cheat sheet. And we can set up the listener first. And now we can run like, and IP address of Kali Linux. And the port number, submit, but get out skit. And we need to find out some other way. For example, like the first one, we can try this one, make a copy. And we need to do some modifications. Change it to Kali Linux. And also, as always, I'd like to change port number, which is 555. And then we can run this command in the web shell, submit, but no output. And then we can try the second one, submit. Yeah, it seems it's working. Yeah, as you can see, we have already got the collection or the reverse shell from the virtual machine. And now we can make to become the normal shell. Yeah, we can go to the home directory to do some very basic immersion. For example, we can go to the Bob. And yeah, has the old password file. We can make a copy and paste in here. Yeah, we got, I think these are credentials for the user GC and the SAP. Yeah, I can tell you, although these credentials can work for both users, but it will not be helpful for us to elevate our privilege to root user. If you want, you can try by yourself, like switch user to GC, and we can make a copy. Yeah, no problem. We can switch our user, but I think the point is we need to elevate our privilege, and the clue is inside the Bob. Go to the Bob directory and go to the documents directory, and here has some file. There are some files. Hi, here, there, and also the secret. But as you can see, there is one file logging, but this file is protected by GPG, and of course we need to get the password first to retrieve the content, and because the file name is login, so this file must have some very important credentials. But we need to get the password first, and there is directory secret keep out, and go to the not pom, sorry, and we can make a copy this file name and go. Yeah, there is shell script. Maybe we can use the notes. As you can see, this shell script doesn't run any useful command or functionalities, just display or echo some information. And I can tell you the password is the first character of each line, and we can make a note of each one, or the first character of each line. Yeah, we got the password, and I think this should be the password for this file. Do you remember? Yeah, this file. But we need to download this file onto the Kali Linux. So how to do? We can set up the web server. And we can make a copy of this file name and open up a new tab. And we can use the wget. And paste in here. Yeah, we got, and then we can decrypt this file. And the password, I think, should be this one. Sorry, I need to cancel first. I need to make a copy and run it again. And password. Yeah, no problem. And then we can cut the file. Yeah, we got the password for the Bob user. Oh, sorry, we need to specify the port number. Yeah, very big port number. I need to, where is the port number? Yeah, this one. Make a copy. Yes. And the password, we can make a copy. I don't want to type in each letter, but the password is not correct. Maybe we can paste it again. Yeah, no problem. And we can check the privilege of this user. Yeah, we can run any command. So it will be very easy to elevate the privilege. And go to the root directory. And we can, yeah, we have already in the root shell. And we do not need to get the root flag. Okay, so that's all I'd like to share and demonstrate in this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.